Hey everybody, it's Mrs. Murphy here. I'm doing a quick video for you about this week's art activity. So when you're going through the activity guide, I'm going to click Start. Task number 1, what is a word cloud? A word cloud is a type of data visualization that uses scale and value to show what's important. Scale is the relative size of things, and value is how light or dark something is. Those are art words. So when we go to the next task, it's going to show us an example. I want to show you this example of a word cloud. It's a type of data visualization. So last week I asked you what were some social issues that were important to you, and these were some responses that you gave. The most common response is the biggest one, so it's using scale, and it's the lightest in color, so it's also using value. And if you just look at this image, you'll be able to tell what's most or least important to the 6th grade as far as social issues goes. Okay, when you're ready, you're going to move on to your top 10. So it says visit the link below, or you can grab a sheet of paper to make your own top 10 list. So let's see what happens when we click this link. When we click this link, it's going to give us, we're going to click Start, a list of 10 words: friends, family, faith, empathy, humor, wealth, knowledge, success, beauty, and love. And you are going to ask yourself which of these words are most important to you. Whichever word is most important, which of these things is most important, you're going to drag that to the top. So let's say that I'm a firm believer that love is the most important thing in the world. All you need is love, baby. So I'm going to take love and drag it all the way up to the top. Notice that the number has changed. The top number is always going to be number 10. Okay, after love for me is family and friends, so I just dragged and clicked those, and I'm just going to finish these out. You are going to drag these and drop them wherever you see fit. Everyone's going to have a different answer here. Okay, so good. I have my top 10 list. All right, I'm going to go back to my activity guide and see what happens when I'm ready. Okay, so my final task is to make a word cloud. In order to do that, I need to visit this wordart.com link. So if you click the link, it's going to take you to wordart.com where you can make your own word cloud. If you click Create Now, you don't have to sign in and create an account. You could just do it right here. And I want you to notice this chart on the left. There's a list of words, size, color, angle, and font. So we're going to start by looking at going back to my top 10 list, and I'm going to type these words in here in order from 10 all the way to 1. So love, family, friends, and this is where it's going to be kind of tricky because I have to go back and forth, but love, family, friends. If you have your own list on a piece of paper, this might be easier to plug your words in. Empathy, humor, knowledge, empathy, humor, knowledge, success, wealth. Stop there because I don't want to try and memorize too many at once. Success, wealth, faith, and beauty. Okay. Notice that I went in order from 10 all the way down to 1 on this list. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 5, all the way down to 1. So I'm going to go back up here, and where it says size, I'm going to go from 10 all the way down to 1. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. Color, if you want to play with those, you just click on it, and it'll show you a little color picker here, and you can choose which color you want for each of these. If not, it will choose your own color. Okay. What might be fun is if we said that value will show the importance of the word. Maybe you want to start from darkest to lightest. So maybe if I start with super dark red over here and see if I can make these go all the way through. Okay, so there was my dark all the way down to my lighter color. If you want to pick a font, you could drop down and pick whatever fonts you want in here to play with. And then when you're ready, you're going to click Visualize. And what this does is it's going to make your word cloud. So love was the most important, so it's the darkest. Next was family, so that's going to be the second largest and second darkest, and you'll see that the pattern follows all the way through like that. And then the last part of the assignment is to share this on Seesaw. So to share it, up here there's a button that says share. If I click on that, I'm going to click link. And then when I go to Seesaw, I can copy this link and paste it right into my Seesaw assignment. Okay, so I hope that clears up any questions anybody might be having about the word art project. Have fun with it. Play with these. These are really cool. You could even, down here, there's even more options. You can make these go into different shapes. And there's all kinds of cool stuff you can do. So this is a really creative activity. It's a data visualization, and it's really fun. Okay, enjoy. Bye.